Oh shit, I totally forgot. We got to jailbreak our Fire Stick. We don't jailbreak Fire Sticks. The device does it for us. The Fire Stick does it for us. There's no jailbreak. It's changing an option. So follow along. Settings. Install unknown apps. Highlight downloader. On. Done. Now downloader is enabled to sideload applications. Movies, TV shows, sports, and live TV. Downloader works just like a web browser. We can enter any URL. For instance, the website we're going to go to, https://ledbytheunknown.com/downloads. It's a lot to write in. I don't like doing it, so I got a shortcut for you, or short code for you to use. 70178. Come down and click next. What's going on, guys? Are you looking for movies or TV shows? Are you looking for sports on your Amazon Fire TV stick? Check this out. Follow along. I'll show you how to get apps you've never heard of on your device. First thing we need to do, find icon, the little magnifying glass here. Pull down, highlight search, so select in search. And here we're going to download an application called Downloader. So just D-O-W, and it should bring it up pretty quick. You may need to spell out the entire word, Downloader. Select that. Downloader is this orange icon, so we'll select it. Here it gives us the ability to get it, or I already own it, but download it and install it onto our device. So you select it, download it, installs it on our device. Please share this with a friend. I bet you know someone who would love to get movies, TV shows, live TV, and sports all on their Amazon Fire TV stick on apps they've never heard of before. So, app's ready to open. We're not going to open it quite yet. Hit the home button. This is where we jailbreak. We don't jailbreak our Fire Stick. Head all the way over to the settings guide. Mine's the little race car driver there, the one with the little gear icon. Pull down. My Fire TV's here listed. Yours may say my device, and it might be down here. So select that. Here I have developer options listed. If you don't worry. Highlight about. Select it. Here it has Fire TV stick. Yours may say 4K or light. If yours is a Fire TV stick, select with the new Vega operating system. Unfortunately, this will not work. Select your select button 7 to 10 times, and it says, congratulations, you're now a developer. So welcome to developer options. So when you back out one from here, developer options should be here listed. If you don't have developer options listed and it did come up saying, welcome to developer options, please unplug your Fire Stick for 30 seconds, plug it back in. Then you come back to developer options and follow along. Select developer options. Here, ADB debugging, turn that on. Highlight install unknown apps and select on it. And here we'll have downloader. So downloader here, turn it on. This is the jailbreak. All you did was select an option, change an option. We didn't jailbreak anything. You don't jailbreak Android devices, just to let you know. So as long as that's on, we're good to go. Now, if you decide to jump this whole step, I'll show you what happens if you didn't turn this on. So I'm going to turn it off. Let's go to the home screen and look for downloader now. So downloader is going to be this 3 square plus sign. It's our apps and games section. And the last application, downloader, that we developed, or that we downloaded, installed, will be down at the bottom here. So if you have a lot of apps, it'll be probably further down. So select downloader and allow downloader to access photos, media, and files. So select allow. And here, downloader works just like a web browser. We can enter any URL. For instance, the website we're going to go to, https://ledbytheunknown.com/downloads. It's a lot to write in. I don't like doing it, so I got a shortcut for you, or short code for you to use. On the screen, we have this little red arrow. And our remote works just like a mouse, so right, down, left, up, and then the select button is our regular select button on our mouse. So if we go up, it highlights downloader, but we want to be in this part, select this, and here it comes up with a keyboard for us to enter our short code. So 370178, come down and click next. This will redirect downloader to go right to the Led by the Unknown's website for us to get these awesome applications. Please share this with a friend while we're waiting for the little redirect. Once the page is loaded, use our 3-line button on our remote, add current page to favorites. Then we hit save. Now we don't need to worry about what the URL was. We don't need to worry about what the shortcode was. It is now in downloader under as a bookmark. So as you can tell, we can hit the 3-line button now, highlight favorites, highlight downloads, select it, and it'll open up the page right away. So we can come on down. Actually, first, so guys, on this page, we have some tutorials, some extra information, and the apps themselves. So follow along. Now, I always suggest getting yourself a nice, reliable VPN to secure your online privacy. Get out your phone, scan this QR code, get yourself up to 82% off, 30-day money-back guarantee. This will work across all your devices in your household. One account, all your devices in your household, across all your devices. Doesn't matter if it's Apple, Android, Windows, whatever, Fire Sticks, on boxes, you name it, it'll work across all of them. Now guys, the applications for us, movies, TV shows, sports, and live TV, follow along. Let's do something like how we want some sports. Select on play. This one brings up a little countdowner. So once that's done, just hit the little white arrow and then it'll start downloading it to our device. Oh shit, I totally forgot. We got to jailbreak our Fire Stick. We don't jailbreak Fire Sticks. The device does it for us. The Fire Stick does it for us. There's no jailbreak. It's changing an option. So follow along. Settings. Install unknown apps. Highlight downloader. On. Done. Now downloader is enabled to side load. Now downloader is enabled to side load applications. We back out one, back out again, opens back up downloader, and we'll continue the installation process. So here we hit install. Down on the bottom right, install. We'll select done. Delete the installation files, we no longer need it, taking up space on our device. Confirm the delete. Now, that one and only time that it wants us to change the downloader option for install unknown apps, it boots us back to this screen. So I hope you used the favorite option. So the 3-line button, favorites, downloads. And it brings up the site. So we can come on down to where we were. So we have play down. We can try flicks. New and improved, running wonderfully. Come down. We have the little blue buttons here. We can use the main or the backup. Down on the bottom right, click install. Down on the bottom right, select done. Delete the installation. Yes, confirm the delete. We can back out one. We can do Vultra. Bottom right, install. Highlight done, select it, delete, confirm the delete. Guys, there are many other applications for you to choose from. Please select them, try them. Some you may like, some you may not. I just give you lots of options to choose from. I'm here to teach you how to fish. Now, if you're interested in this, I'll have that at the end of the video. Same way to install it. This does take up a little bit more space, so you may not be able to download all the applications in order to get that running. Let's go back to the home screen. Head all the way over, back to that 3 squares plus sign, our apps and games section. And here we can come down. Here's the apps we downloaded. So we can always, like 3-line button on our remote, move to the front for all of them. Move to the front, move to the front, move to the front. And of course, protect our online security. Protect our online privacy. Thank you for following. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share this with a friend. Happy streaming. Peace. I'm Lee. I'm here for all your Amazon Fire TV Stick needs, tips, and tricks, and how-tos. Enjoy, my friend. Enjoy.